How to log in or sign in into Showmax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to log in or sign in into Showmax account. So without further ado, let's get started. Launch your web browser on your device and search for showmax.com. Press enter on your keyboard. After that, you will land on the official interface of Showmax applications. Currently, this application is unavailable in my location, but if you have available, you can simply create account on Showmax and log in. To log in, proceed by clicking on sign in at top right corner, and then you will land on the sign in section of Showmax, where you have to enter your email to get started. Click continue button, enter your password and the on-screen prompts. You can even use mobile number instead, and then using your login credentials you can easily sign in into Somax account. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.